In this video, I'll guide you through how to add or change an account nickname on CIBC Online Banking. Whether you're looking to personalize your account or make it easier to identify, updating your account nickname is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First things first, you need to sign into your account through the official CIBC website. Make sure you're on the legitimate site to protect your personal information. Once you're logged in, head over to the main menu. Here, you'll want to click on Customer Services. This section is your gateway to managing various aspects of your account. Next up, you'll need to look for Site Preferences, or sometimes it might be referred to as the Account Management section. This is where you can customize how your account appears and functions, among other things. Once you've found the right section, you'll see an option for Account Nickname, or it might say Create or Edit Account Nickname. Click on that. This step takes you to a new pop-up window. In this window, you have the opportunity to enter your desired nickname for the account. Think about a name that makes it easy for you to recognize your account at a glance, maybe something personal or a simple identifier. Now, go ahead and type in the new nickname you'd like to use. Double-check for any typos to ensure you're happy with your choice. Once you're satisfied with the nickname, click Save. This action finalizes your changes. To complete the process, click Close to exit the pop-up window. And just like that, your account nickname will now be updated. You'll notice it displayed in your online banking dashboard, making it easier for you to manage and identify your accounts in the future. And that's how to add or change an account nickname on CIBC Online Banking. As you can see, it's a simple process that enhances your online banking experience. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out more of our content for additional tips on managing your online accounts.